So, hindi po. So, yun, talagang, God, hindi man agad ipaparamdam ng Panginoon, but in His time, in His way. Sabi nga, we will experience
Nanto daw siya. Yung isang galing ng Cavite. Video yun bro. Matik na yan. Yung isa, pinapag-isa. Maskara.
is yung wrong notion of discipline. Okay. So when we suffer, we think that we are being punished. Pero ini-equate lang natin, di ba? As a parents,
Silip ko eh.
sabi nga, it can be seen as a punishment only if it is related to wrongdoing. We should see this as a consequences of our
Picture lang naman to.
of our free will, but not a punishment. As such, God makes this opportunity to teach us and allow us to move towards Him. This is the discipline God gives us. It is not our discipline in the proper intention is discipline. So God's discipline is perfect love. Kung paano natin napagaling ng mga anak natin,
Ano yan? Ismail?
and at the end, napagaling natin sasabihin natin sa kanila